Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So, I actually did a bunch of stuff and I'll just show you. So, as you can see, there's a hotbar now. Pretty nifty. You can actually scroll through it and it loops around like it does in Minetest and Minecraft. I actually think it somehow runs faster. I'm not sure how. Because every time you scroll, the mesh for the hotbar selection actually gets regenerated, but it's so small it happens instantly. So basically, it correlates with what you're doing, so it's pretty nifty. Yep. It's pretty cool. So let me turn down the volume. I just actually reinstalled OBS, so it's yeah. Everything's reset. Okay, so now we have number 10 to 19. That's pretty cool. Let me increase it a little bit more. Just one more so we can get all the stairs. So these four should be all the stairs, so that one... Yep, that works properly. So let's just build a little staircase. So it works pretty good now. And I'll just keep doing this for some reason. We're almost to the water. Whoops, I'm totally messing this up. Alright, cool. So this is pretty nifty. You can scroll through it and everything. It's actually really fast. So There is only one small issue. What you're seeing is actually in the 3D environment. I'm doing something very, very interesting. So the GUI elements are actually 0.00, I think it's a couple quintillionths of whatever that one unit is in OpenGL, and it's actually being rendered on a separate whatever the term is, vertex shader. So yeah, I think this is pretty cool. So I fixed an issue, and I actually caused another issue. You can probably tell. Let's see, can I make it happen? Yep, there we go. Sometimes the view bobbing goes really far down. So you kind of turn into a midget, but that's alright. Working on the smoothness of the view bobbing. So there's another thing we can re-enable in the rendering system. So this is the initial test, and yes, I am going in and out of scope to make it so I can just comment these out because I'm lazy. Okay, you could see that this is the font map, and it's pretty nifty. Starting to go through the floor there. The reason why that view bobbing thing is happening is because I was just like, whatever, I'll just deal with it later, and it's very simple to fix, but I had to work on creating a GUI or HUD library. So pretty soon I should be able to make it so you can just type stuff in and have like a prototype chat and show your position and whatnot, because I tested it, and well, this is the test right here. This is rebuilding the mesh. The position of the actual thing isn't moving, it's getting rebuilt to this correct slot, and it's pretty cool actually. So yeah, that's pretty nice. And here's sapphire, and there's lapis and emerald, and of course diamond. I think if we just keep walking, we're gonna get shorter. There we go. But the thing is with the view bobbing is at least I know it's recentering. And this is from a test I did the other day. So I kind of like freelanced, or whatever it's called, free-handed the font sheet in like the easiest possible way, so I can just do a straight ABCD thing for texturing. And of course I'm going to make it so you can capitalize and all that. And this font is like an amalgamation of like 3 different fonts, but I literally created it by hand in GIMP. So it's Pixel, OTF, and there was another one I was looking at. But Pixel was like the main inspiration thing. I don't like how the lowercase p and q came out. They look kind of gross, but I'll fix them. Also, I'm going to need some new characters. So yeah, a couple days ago, I was like, I don't know if I can make this GUI library, blah blah blah, because this is extremely difficult to do, especially with never programming in OpenGL before. But I took a couple days off, and I was like, let me just play some Forza. Maybe I'll be able to have some inspiration, because I don't want to. I mean, I've already come this far. I might as well keep going. I've already got an API going in the game. So, might as well keep going. I even looked at mine test again, and somehow they made the collision detection feel worse, or the inertia system feel worse. I'm not sure how they managed to do that. But I spent like 4 hours playing the game. Just going on a couple servers. And even though the games themselves made in the mine test engine are fun, this, like, just walking around was making me not want to play it anymore. And then I went into Minecraft after the last time I played it was like 4 months ago for about 20 minutes on Minecraft beta 1.3, and then I just tried Feed the Beast, and I don't know what they did to the inertia and collision system, but it feels horrendous now. Like, you could probably see how I like my collision detection and my inertia system just from the literal view of watching me play this. I like it to be really snappy. Kind of like that. This could use with some smoothing. But you know, one thing at a time. So yeah, hopefully I'll be able to make a easy to use font creation system, or not font creation system, sorry about that. I'm like half awake from writing different stuff, like HUD creation, because you know, you can see I've already created 2 HUD elements, the hotbar and the selection. For some reason they're not translucent. I'm not sure how I'm going to make them translucent. I'm going to have to look at OpenGL. And same with the font. The font's background is actually translucent, but for some reason it's rendered as black, and I don't know why. But I'll fix that too. But I'm really happy with how that font looks. I think it's going to make the main menu and the menu systems look really nice. So we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, I got a bit of a sore throat, so I think I'm going to cut this video short today. I would usually make like a 30-minute video after not making one for a couple days, but here you can see the hacks that I did to make this work correctly in 3D with the world rendering, and then the 3D system of the view matrix basically to translation into the center of the screen. And you can see when I scale it up, it scales up properly. There's only one real problem with it not being fixed. Oh, Oh yeah, I actually fixed that. What was happening before was this was getting super squished and it wasn't working properly. But you can see it automatically scales up now. So I think that's pretty cool. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go to bed now. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.